Welcome to G-Tex Designs. In this episode, we're going to build part 7-06, the door for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 7-06, the door for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. So we're going to open, part MMGS. Now this is pretty straightforward. Now it says door, but there's two doors, but the door is actually the same left and right. There's no difference in it. So we're going to go to right plane, sketch. We're going to do a square, rectangle, whichever you like. Going to do a curve on here, which is going to be 25. Let's do some dimensions first, actually. That's going to be 180. And that's going to be 160. Let's do them. Where are we? Oh, I lost it. Oh, there it is. Let's go. Nope, that one. Thank you. Still 25, perfect. One there, one there. Okay. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's it. Oh, okay, thank you. It's going to be thickness of 2.5. Mid-plane, well, that doesn't matter mid-plane on this one, but we'll do it anyway. So I'm going to head over to here. Spin this around. So we're going to bring it in. We bring in two doors. One over that side. And we click on that one and nope. Shift, nope. Control drag, then you open up another one. So we're going to pivot that one. Actually, we're going to go to the bottom first. There you go, there. See it better. Mate. Bottom of that to the bottom of that. Where'd it go? It's all way over there. Hold on. Why did it go way over there for? Hold on. Let's do something different. Let's do that edge to this edge. There we go. Now we can do the bottom, that way it doesn't disappear way over the other side of the drawing for some reason. Those two go there. Beautiful. Now, this can actually pivot round. But just keep it in line. I'm going to mate that post, or that side with that side. That's weird. And look at that. Oh. Now I can't pivot anymore. Look at that, lines up. Actually lines up quite good. Okay. I'm happy on that. That works out good. Excellent. Let's do this side now. Same thing. I'll probably actually save it. I won't delete these parts off this. So, okay, mate. So, inside there to inside there. Do we have a shortcut key for that? No, we don't. Not that I see. So that surface there to that surface. Okay, why didn't that work? Oh, why did that not work? But I clicked the wrong one. Oh, I clicked there instead of there. I clicked the wrong one. Okay, that one. Yeah, I clicked the wrong surface. To that one. There we go, that's better. And that face to, out the wrong way, to that face. Nope. Hang it. Mate. That one to that one. There we go. Way it moves. Okay, so that's the doors done. Excellent. Let me just make this a little bit neater. Zoom her in. There we go. That is coming along nicely. That's part 7-06, the door done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Nice, short, simple piece. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep on building.